Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah. Welcome to English Conversation 086 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. In this episode of our podcast, Sarah and David will help you practice real English conversation using future tense phrases like will and going to. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to improve your speaking skills, this episode is perfect for you.
And I'm David. Today's topic is very important. How to talk about your future in English.
Yes, we will use two main forms, will and going to.
Use will for quick decisions. Example, I'm hungry. I will eat now. Use going to for plans. Example, I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow.
We will practice step by step with many examples. David, what will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will study English. In the afternoon, I'm going to meet my best friend.
That sounds nice. Tomorrow I will cook dinner and I'm going to play football.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. Tomorrow, I will study English. Tomorrow, I'm going to meet my best friend. Tomorrow, I will cook dinner.
Great job. Practice game. I'll say tomorrow and you make your own sentence.
Let's role play. Sarah, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday. On Sunday, I will relax.
This weekend, I will go shopping. I'm going to see a movie with friends.
Nice. Now, listeners, practice. I'm going to visit my parents. I will relax. I'm going to see a movie.
Mini practice conversation for listeners. Question: what will you do this weekend?
Next week, I will start a new project at work. Next week, I'm going to take an English class.
Listeners, repeat. Next week, I will start a project. Next week, I'm going to take an English class. Q. What are you going to do next week?
Next year, I will study harder. I'm going to take an English exam.
Next year, I will save money. I'm going to travel to Japan.
Listeners, repeat after us. Next year, I will study harder. Next year, I'm going to travel to Japan. 5-year future practice. In 5 years, I will buy a house.
In 5 years, I'm going to have a good job.
Let's practice daily situations. At school, I will do my homework tonight. At work, I'm going to finish my report tomorrow. With friends, I will call you later. With family, we're going to have dinner together.
Repeat after us. I will do my homework tonight. I'm going to finish my report tomorrow.
What will you eat for dinner?
I will eat rice and chicken.
What are you going to do tonight?
I'm going to watch TV.
Okay, time for a review game. I will say a word. You make a future sentence. Tomorrow. Example, tomorrow I will read a book. Next week. Example, next week I'm going to visit my friend. Next year. Example, next year I will learn English more. In 10 years. Example, in 10 years I'm going to have a family.
Great practice. So, today we learned how to talk about the future using will and going to.
Remember, use will for quick decisions. I will call you later. Use going to for plans. I'm going to study tonight.
Homework for you. Write 5 sentences about tomorrow, 5 sentences about next week, and 5 sentences about next year. Use both will and going to.
That's all for today's lesson.
Thank you, Sarah, for listening, and see you next time.
Thank you, David, for listening, and see you next time.